Hey, Cancer. Well, hello there. Welcome to Behind the Black Veil, where we get a more intimate look at the mysteries of our lives. Hello there. So, Cancer, a lot is happening in the sky. A lot is happening behind the black veil. We are, for 2020, abolishing time. We are abolishing time. It is hereby declared that it is the ever now. All right, so whenever you're watching this video, it is what it is. Okay, fantastic. So let's find out what's going on for you in the ever now, Cancer. What's going on? Now, I may refer to dates inside my readings, but for the title, we're going to stay away from that sort of thing. And for the video vibe, we're going to stay away from that sort of thing. Let's do the ever now thing, right? Let's do the ever now. Okay, let's see what's going on for you, buddy. All right, there is a King of Wands. There is a vigorous male figure, masculine figure, being vigorous, wanting to return to the safe haven. Okay, someone is looking behind the black veil. It's very sexy back there. Perhaps that's the VIP room. I don't know what you're busy doing. I don't know what you're busy doing, but I know who's hanging out with you. The devil. That's right, the devil. Simple as that, my friends. Someone's perhaps cutting out the VIP room. Or somebody cut somebody in the VIP room. I don't know, okay? It could be getting crazy back there. Or it could simply be that someone is attempting to see, or someone has seen behind the black veil. They have insight, secret knowledge. They have a renewed sense of purpose. They have renewed consciousness, renewed perspective about some hot and sexy thing, okay, who perhaps is also kind of a no-nonsense kind of lady, putting up with none of the bullshit, none whatsoever. All right, so chances are it has to do with whoever it is who's getting the insight, seeing that they can't have this without dealing with this lady. Chances are this is the same lady and this is aspects of the same lady. Okay, it could be that, and it could be two different ladies. It could be three different ladies. All right. One is showing the veil and saying, sure, you could see back there. Okay, the other one is back there. All right, getting it on. And then this one steps out of nowhere and is like, what you looking at? Slice off with his head, right? Okay, that's just one scenario for fun, okay? And maybe perhaps that's happening to someone on some level, okay? Or it could be the same person doing this, all right? But back over here, we've got this vigorous guy who's probably the one that's interested in this hot, sexy number that he can't get next to because she's got a big knife and she's not afraid to use it. All right. So this vigorous guy with all the power and vigor, he wants to return to the safe haven, and now he has more appreciation for that safe haven. He has more appreciation for how comfortable those digs were. Okay. And he would like to get back there just as soon as possible. All right, that's where he's at with it. So over here, we've got Legba La Flambeau. And so what Legba is trying to tell us is there's some foolishness afoot, okay? Or hold on, let me reflect, because this is several things happening here. Let's pick a storyline, shall we? Okay. There, I'm getting one vibe where someone is interested in taking a leap of faith and throwing caution to the wind. And then there's the deeper meaning of it all. All right. Then there's also the wanting to take a leap of faith, but also getting this reflection kind of, back of the devil. Or someone was foolish, okay, and they roused the devil in the form of a very emotional, soft character or soft seeming. Let's go on and see what more we can get out of that and just go wherever it's taking us here. Okay, this guy, King of Wanzi kind of guy, he moves different in this deck. All right, but the King of Wanzi guy, he's King of Wanzi, like Fonzie. Okay, he goes a. Okay, so the Wanzi guy is interested and vigorously trying to apply himself regarding the future, regarding abundance, regarding the future of his abundance. This makes me feel like it's a woman. It's a woman who he wants to be his baby's mother, and this same woman is a master of her fiery emotions. She can be very generous or not. Okay, so she has the capacity, if she wants to give and give and give and give and give and fill up the whole ocean with her love, she has the capacity to do that. Or she can burn your ass like Pele, all right, like Kali. And while you'll be perishing in the fire, she'll be chilling. Chilling. The chill is within. Okay? So, he wants to return to Safe Haven. There may be some guilt. There may be some penance to be paid in order to gain safe passage, in order to gain safe passage back to the Safe Haven. I'm going to go ahead and guess. Okay, so there's a greater awareness, but it is something that is tearing at you. A deception has been resolved in some level, in some sense. The secrets behind the illusion have been busting forth, left and right, and it's tearing at you. But you're growing, but it's wrenching, and and it's giving you greater appreciation for the Safe Haven, for this woman, for what she can provide to you. That's interesting. For what she can provide to you in terms of wealth of fulfillment, in terms of a future. And you feel that it's possible because of her mastery. That's interesting. In terms of seeing behind the black veil, in terms of getting insight into the mysteries, into what is unseen, secret knowing, someone is being quiet about it. keeping it in their head. They're just waiting and watching. Well, not waiting, but watching, most certainly. And with a lot of either shrewd, yeah, they're shrewd. They're very shrewd. They are shrewdly surfing the turbulence of the mind, where turbulence might want to creep up. This person is kind of dancing between raindrops, shrewdly, like knowing how, weirdly, because they have secret knowing. Or someone's come into a secret knowing. Okay, so this sexy number was somebody's 10 of cups that they were forced to sacrifice. And this lady seems like they gave an ultimatum. Or this lady was having none of it because somebody needed to walk through the fire because she was mad. Seemed like she picked up her knife and she was like, yeah, you can come over here if you want to, motherfucker. And then she also made sure they would have to cross this fiery inferno that she clearly set on fire with her pure rage. Okay, a lot of feminine walk through the fire, look at things from both sides. That's the requirement kind of energy. All right, somebody is trying to be effective in the face of doubt. They're pressured to communicate because of love. All right, or perhaps or they were a fool and they feel pressured by the fact that they were a fool and they need to communicate that based on a marriage. Sorry. Okay, Cancer. So, based on a marriage or based on love, this is going in several different directions. Someone's trying to take a leap of faith for love. They feel pressured to, move in that direction. And also, this can be saying that someone was a fool. They know, like, they can feel it. They know, on a very real level that they were a fool to marry a particular person. Or they want to be effective in the face of doubt because they feel pressured by love. They fell from grace. There was a lack of interpretive effort. Someone was confused. They fell from grace. The devil knocked them off their throne. The devil knocked them off their throne. They allowed this. Okay, out of confusion. Okay, lack of taking responsibility. And someone's reflecting that back to them. Someone's reflecting both things, the foolishness and also the love. Someone is sending a message by hiding in plain sight. Someone is being called. This woman is calling someone, activating their will, affecting their will, deeply moving them. All right. Well, my goodness. That was intense. And on that note, I'm going to leave it there, Cancer. All right. Thanks for stopping by. If you need a personal, go down to the description and get in touch with me. Send your payment with your question and confirm through the email. I'll try to get you that video out in 24 to 48 hours. Otherwise, you will receive some explanation as to what the daily is. All right, like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for taking a look behind the black veil.